Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off power saving mode on a Sceptre monitor. First, locate the physical buttons on your Sceptre monitor. These buttons are usually on the back of the monitor or along the side edge. Look for the button labeled Menu. Press this menu button once to open the monitor's on-screen display menu. After the menu appears on the screen, you will need to move through the available options. Use the arrow or navigation buttons on the monitor to scroll through the menu. Look for a section called System or Setup. Once you are inside the System or Setup menu, continue using the navigation buttons to look for power-related settings. You may see options such as Power Save, Auto Sleep, or Eco Mode. Select the option you find and change the setting to off or disabled. Confirm the change if the monitor asks for confirmation. This will stop the monitor from entering power saving mode automatically. You should also check your computer's display settings. On a Windows computer, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. Open Screen and Sleep and make sure the display option is set to Never if you do not want the screen to turn off automatically. After completing these steps, your monitor should stay on without entering power saving mode. Thanks for watching.